The Drainvac Automatik is an all-in-one central vacuum requiring virtually no maintenance with no bag or tank to empty. It picks up dust, liquids, and empties directly to the sanitary drain. This central vacuum is connected to a water inlet that liquefies the vacuum material. The porthole allows you to see the unit in operation and to easily access the interior to clean it if necessary. The unit can also be equipped with a P-trap to flush dirty water down the drain. The mesh basket is very useful for recovering objects vacuumed by mistake and to avoid clogging the drain with animal hair. Finally, the membrane allows you to adjust the unit's emptying time. Press once to initiate a quicker drainage cycle. You will then see the LED flash once. Use this configuration if the unit is connected to larger drain pipes or if the default setting is too long. Press twice to obtain the default drainage cycle time. The LED will then flash twice. Finally, press 3 times for a longer drain cycle. The LED will flash 3 times. This configuration is preferred if the unit is connected to smaller drain pipes. Whether for a residential or commercial applications, the Automatik is ideal for vacuuming large quantities of water or even smaller messes. Unlike a portable shop vac type unit, the Drainvac Automatik gives you stronger power in a noise-free environment without any tank to empty or device to drag behind you. To vacuum a certain amount of water, we suggest using a brush with a squeegee. You can use a regular floor hose or the vac reel, our patent hose reel that frees up your workspace. To start the residential model, press the button on the handle. For the commercial unit, turn on the wall switch. At this time, the Automatik's valve closes and water enters the unit. Then, you may begin to vacuum the flooded area starting on the contour and gradually working your way to the center. If at some point you turn off the unit, the suction will stop, the water will stop entering the unit, the valve will open, and the Automatik will start draining. As soon as it's switched back on, the unit will be operational, even if there's still water inside. However, if the vacuum has been running for a while, the water in the unit will eventually touch the electrodes, thus sending a signal to the motor to stop, allowing the water to drain. At this time, the device will stop according to the time programmed on the membrane. The device will then restart by itself and you can continue your maintenance. Please leave the power switch in the on position during the sequence. When finished, we recommend vacuuming clean water to clean the ducts. Simply fill a bucket or sink with water and submerge the end of the hose halfway to allow some air to circulate while optimizing the amount of water that will end up in the pipes. Afterwards, you can leave the hose in the open air, leaving the device running for 5 minutes to dry out the ducts. You may also vacuum a few lengths of toilet paper, about 2 feet each. These will create a vortex in the pipes which will absorb residual water. Avoid using paper towel or making a ball of paper, as these could clog your pipes. For the decanter version, you may empty the mesh basket in the tank if necessary.